Hi, this is Bill, K3HZP. Today I'd like to demonstrate to you how to adjust the different delays in the QSK 25 box. The first delay we will talk about is how to adjust the amplifier key delay, and then the second one will be how to adjust the delay from the paddle key input to the transceiver paddle key input. We've now removed the cover from the QSK 25 by removing the 4 screws. Now we'll verify that the keying delay for the amplifier is at 3 seconds. So you can see when I key it, the light comes on the QSK unit and the amplifier is drawing current. Now let go, and there's your 3-second delay. Now I'm going to shorten it by turning. In this case, I've already checked it out that counterclockwise will shorten it. So I'm going to go down to approximately the minimum. You have to be careful so you don't damage the pot there. Okay, now in order for that adjustment to take effect, we must switch the unit off, back on. Now if we key the unit, it's still keyed. We'll see the light go off. 1001, 1002, and we're down to about the minimum time. So that's the way we set the minimum. If we want to raise the delay, I'll just adjust it randomly here, but you can, put it wherever you want. Now I'm turning it clockwise on this particular unit, and again we turn it off, turn it back on to make sure it takes effect. Now if we key it, the light's still on, let go. 1001, 1002, 1003. Well, we didn't go too far, so let's go further. Turn it off, turn it on, key it up, let go. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. So there you go. You lengthened it that way, and you can go all the way up to 10 seconds. So that's it for adjusting the amplifier delay. You can set it to your own preference. It doesn't really affect anything except how long the amplifier stays up at the end of your transmission. Next, I'd like to demonstrate how to increase the paddle key delay through the unit. Normally you shouldn't have to do this. It's set at 10 milliseconds. We're going to show you how to go up to 12 milliseconds and ultimately up to 16 milliseconds. Okay, I made a jumper out of some 22 hookup wire. Formed it like a U, stripped the insulation off, formed it like a U. Make sure the unit's off, and we'll slip it in the back 2 holes here. That's by pin 4. Okay, and that will now strap it for 12 milliseconds delay if you put some solder on it then. Then that's, this by the way is pin 1 here by the dot if you're not familiar with these chips. If you add a second jumper in the center here, that would increase it to 14, and if you put 3 jumpers in the slot, that would increase the delay to 16 milliseconds. So there's a way you can allow for a slower TR relay in the amplifier if 10 milliseconds is not enough. Hope this helps. Have fun, good QSK, and good CW.